Welcome back to class. If you open Twitter or LinkedIn right now, you are seeing a massive obsession with AI agents, systems designed to take autonomous actions, like sending emails, searching the web, or executing code. Imagine you build an AI agent to answer customer support tickets. If it doesn't have a highly optimized RAG pipeline to instantly retrieve your company's specific return policies or API documentation, what is it going to do? It will confidently take the wrong action. This is exactly what happens when an AI agent takes action based solely on its base training. Because it doesn't know your enterprise data, it invents facts. We call this hallucination, a phenomenon where a model confidently presents false information as if it were a verified record. In a live business setting, the damage happens fast. Your agent fires off incorrect emails, executes broken code, and destroys customer trust in seconds. This setup creates a critical gap between the ability to act and the ability to know. We are giving the AI the hands to execute tasks, but no reference book to check its work against your specific company requirements. Autonomous action without a strictly verified data foundation is a massive liability. Raw intelligence simply doesn't work if it doesn't have an accurate memory to draw from. Look at this diagram. This represents the mandatory architectural solution to our amnesiac agent. It's called RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. RAG is essentially a handbook reading system designed to keep your AI honest. An out-of-the-box large language model, or LLM, the core engine of an AI, is like a brilliant student. It knows how to speak and reason, but it hasn't read your specific enterprise syllabus yet. To fix this, we take your massive company databases and PDFs, and we perform a process called chunking. We slice those giant documents down into small, highly specific, searchable pieces. Next, we translate those pieces of human text into a mathematical format called vector embeddings, lists of numbers that capture the exact meaning of the text. Vector embeddings allow the AI to instantly search and understand these documents. This entire data ingestion phase is a memory creation system. You take unstructured corporate chaos and turn it into an accessible foundation of truth. Now that we have this memory grid built, let's look at how the AI actually uses it in real time when a user makes a request. As this flow diagram shows, the workflow changes completely. A customer asks a question, but instead of the AI generating an answer immediately, the system hits a mandatory pause. The query goes directly into our 3D filing system. The system searches the grid, pulls out the specific company rule relevant to the prompt, and sends it to the AI. Then comes the augmentation step. The AI is forced to read this specific SACT before it is allowed to formulate its response or execute any digital action. Compared to the chaos of a blindly guessing model, this methodical process allows the AI to operate with data-backed accuracy. Its actions are now constrained by the specific context it just retrieved. RAG forces the AI into an open book test protocol. By replacing confident guessing with verified retrieval, you effectively neutralize the risk of hallucination. Look at this split screen. On the left, we have a blind guessing agent trying to work from its base training alone. On the right, a carefully grounded RAG-enabled agent. An AI agent is really just a brain with hands. RAG is the required textbook it must consult before it makes a single move. This brings us to a harsh reality for developers in 2026. If you attempt to build flashy, multi-agent systems without a rock-solid data layer, your project will fail in a production environment. Before you give an AI the tools to act, you must master the foundations. Understand data ingestion, generate precise vector embeddings, optimize your chunking strategies for dense text versus code. Technical recruiters and enterprise engineering teams actively reject candidates who skip these unglamorous data pipelines to experiment with trendy agent frameworks. Stop chasing the newest framework, put the buzzwords away, and master the underlying architecture of data retrieval first. Reliable autonomous action depends on the invisible, meticulous filing system running underneath. Master the retrieval, and the agents will follow. Class dismissed.